Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hi, if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me in this wonderful journey of English learning. Hello friends, this is part 2 of irregular verbs. We continue in practicing the past and past participle forms of the next 50 irregular verbs. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please do check out the link in the description below, okay? Alright, are you ready to practice with me? Awesome. Let's dive in. Let's start with number 1. Find. Past simple. Found. That's right. Past participle would be found. Very good. Number 2. Fit. Past simple. Fit or fitted. And the past participle, the same. Fit or fitted. Very good. Number 3. Flee. What's the past simple of flee? Fled. Very good. And the past participle? Fled as well. Good. Number 4. Fling. Flung. Flung. Excellent. Number 5. Fly. Flew, and the past participle would be flown. Yes, that's right. Very good. Number 6. Forbid. Forbade. Forbidden. Very good. Number 7. Forecast. Past simple would be forecast. Past participle, the same. Forecast. Excellent. Number 8. Forego. Forwent and foregone. Very good. Number 9. Foresee. Foresaw and foreseen. Very good. Number 10. Foretell. What's the past simple? Foretold. That's right. And foretold. Very good. Number 11. Forget. I hope you haven't forgotten. I gave the answer already. Forgot and forgotten. That's right. Good. Number 12. Forgive. Forgave. Past participle. Forgiven. Very good. Number 13. Forsake. Forsook and forsaken. Number 14. This is what we feel in Canada. Freeze. Past simple. Froze. Past participle. Frozen. That's right. Very good. Number 15. Frostbite. Frostbit and frostbitten. Very good. Number 16. Get. Got. You know this. Gotten. Good. Number 17. Give. This one is easy. You know this. Gave and given. Very good. 18. Go. Went. Gone. Very good. 19. Grind. What's the past simple of grind? Ground. And the past participle? That's right, it's also ground. Next, 20. Grow. Grew. Past participle? Grown. All right. 21. Hand feed. Hand fed. Hand fed. Good. Number 22. Hand write. Hand wrote. And handwritten. Okay. Good. 23. Hang. Hung. Hung. Okay, good. 24. Have. Had. Had. Nice. 25. Hear. Past simple. Heard. Heard. Yes. Wow, so far so good? Great. Before we continue, please like and subscribe for more English learning videos like this. Press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you. Now back to our English lesson. "26. Hide. Past simple. Hid. And the past participle would be hidden. Good job. 27. Hit. Hit. And another hit. Yes, they're all the same. Okay, number 28. Hold. What's the past simple of hold? Held. Past participle? Held. All right. 29. Hurt. 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 Excellent. 30. Inbreed. Inbred. Past participle would be inbred as well. 31. Inlay. Inlaid. Inlaid. Right. Let's go to the next one. 32. Input. Input or inputted. And input and inputted as well. Remember, okay? All right. 33. Interbreed. Interbred. Interbred. All right. Number 34. Interweave. Interweaved or interwove. And the past participle would be interweaved or interwoven. Good. 35. Intertwined. Interwound. Interwound. Okay, next. 36. Keep. Capped. Capped. Very good. 37. Kneel. Knelt or kneeled. Knelt or kneeled. Good. 38. Knit. What's the past participle? Knitted or knit? Knitted or knit. 39. No. New. Known. Good, you remember. Number 40. Lay, which means lay an egg, okay? Laid. Laid. All right. 41, almost there. Lead. Led. led. Good job. 42, lean, leaned or leaned, leaned or leant, or lent. Okay, 43, leap, leaped or leapt, leaped or leapt. 44, learned, learned or learned, learned or learnt. Okay, 45, leave, left, left. Good job. 46, lend, lent, and lent. Good job. 47, let, let, and let. Nice. 48, 3 more. Lie, which means to lie down, okay? Lay, lane. Okay, remember, because there's another lie, okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. This is the other one, lie, which means not telling the truth, okay? Past simple would be lied, lied. See, there's a big difference, okay? And finally, woohoo! Light, lit or lighted, lit or lighted. Now let's do it again. This time I will play the video in a much faster speed, but if you're not ready yet, pause and review the verbs again. Otherwise, let's go! Hey, way to go! Did you get all 50 out of 50? Nice! If not, which verbs were the most difficult to remember? Comment below and I'll be sure to give you a feedback. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.